you searching for an incredible investment opportunity? Look no further than Anichi Resort and Spa, a premium real estate project under the Autograph Collection brand of Marriott International. By investing a minimum of $220,000 in real estate, you can become a citizen of Dominica in just 3 to 4 months and enjoy a secure future for your family and business. The benefits of Dominican citizenship include visa-free travel to over 140 countries and territories, a favorable tax climate, access to the Caribbean market, and lifetime citizenship. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us now.